Welcome back, everyone. I'm glad you came, and I wanted to show you how I made these bead and wrapped wire necklaces, well, charms, and I hope you enjoy it. I don't know if I should do a talk over or let some music play, but I'll do a little talking. Here I took 20 gauge wire and I wrapped it around a container of beads just to get like a pretty round shape. Not perfectly round because I wanted it more like a teardrop shape. And I used pliers to bend the tops. I'm using special tipped pliers. If you see, they have like white tips on them. They're silicone covered so that it doesn't damage the wires like a regular pair of pliers would. So I had to be real careful when I was using the twirly ones. Let's see, what am I doing here? Going fast motion. Alright, now I'm taking like 24 gauge wire and I'm connecting it to the 20 gauge shape so that I can put the beads on. Yeah, I don't know about doing this talk over. I don't usually do talk over. I usually just put the music on and let it play. I may not even put this part in. We shall see.
So I was recording and didn't realize that I had run out of room and it had stopped recording. I finished this one.
And now I'm on to my next charm. Again, same thing. Putting the beads on the thin wire, 24 gauge. 24 gauge copper. I like copper color the best. Using clear beads. I sped the video up so much that it's jerking. I don't like that. But to sit here and watch me put every bead on. Here I put on, then put on a big bead. I'm going to cross the other way with the seed beads and wrap it again. Please.
I use these kind of pliers. They have a silicone thing. They sort of snap on and off like this. But it doesn't harm the big wire because this is coated. And if you squeeze it with regular pliers, it would scrape the purple off. So I use these so that it doesn't scrape it off.
And if you don't have those silicone pliers, sometimes you could use maybe a napkin and put it over the wire before you squeeze it with the pliers. This way it doesn't damage the wire. Please don't mind the other thumbnail. My left thumbnail had green ink all under it. I couldn't get it off, you see? My nail is green. I was working on another project. Stained it and couldn't get it off. It's all done.
I love these beads. Can be all in pink, be all in blue. That could be pink and blue.
I obviously have a fascination with these beads because several times in the video I stopped just to twirl them. Now I just sew the wire around 20 gauge. So now I've finished 2 charms so far, 2 different styles. The good thing about this is you can do any shape, put any size beads in any direction that you want. It's fun just taking a whole bunch of things and let your imagination run wild. A couple of them I made for smaller girls, but younger girls. But you can get as intricate and sophisticated as you want, or boho designs and designs for small children. And when I say small children, I don't mean babies. Girls who can handle, 9, 10-year-old girls can wear these necklaces because they would know not to put them in their mouth. I was using crystals. I don't think they were all Swarovski, but some of them were. And I think the bigger ones are, obviously. And then I have the little black seed beads. They were like a silver black. Well, look how fast I'm putting them on. Obviously, this is sped up, so they weren't really going on that quickly. And again, I'm wrapping the wire around. It's just like sewing in and out. And 24 gauge is very thin, so it's very easy to twist it and bend it and wrap it around as tightly as you need. And I'm doing row after row, picking up different colors for each row. Oh, actually, I guess I missed, if you look in the upper left-hand corner, there's a charm there that has wooden beads that are wrapped around a circular charm. I'll show it to you later, but I don't think I recorded that one because I pressed record thinking I was recording, but really I had paused the camera, and by the time I finished making it and I went to pause it, it then started recording, and that's when I realized that I hadn't recorded the making of that charm at all. It's because the camera is way up above me. I can't really see what it's saying or doing unless I stand up. There's no reason to stand up and look at it. I really just thought it was recording. Alright, so I finished that one. Now all 4 of them are done. Different designs. As you can see, the other one in the lower left-hand corner, that one I would think would be for a smaller child. Now you can put any kind of cords on, or chains if you wanted to put a chain on the charm. But I'm going to use those cords. I don't think I showed you that because I did that afterwards. No, I don't think I recorded that at all. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like the videos, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm trying to build up a following. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm kind of excited about it. That's it. And I'm sitting on this scene forever, and I don't know why. And I just wave bye-bye. So, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for coming and watching. See you in the next video.